Back to school is a week away, and we're helping you get your children ready. Dr. Liza Gonzalez is here today, an ER physician at the Palm Beach Children's Hospital. She joins us to talk about ways you can keep your kids safe and healthy this school year. Good morning, first off. Thank you for joining us, waking up early with us. What is the overarching thing that's important to keep in mind for parents to teach their kids about being safe and clean and sanitary in school?
Hygiene and washing your hands all the time using the alcohol-based gel. During the day, just to keep them, prevent them from getting sick.
Okay, and we've heard now is the time to start getting kids back into the school routine, especially when it comes to sleep. How much sleep should children be getting, and why is it so important?
They should be getting between 8 to 10 hours of sleep, depending on their age and their specific needs. And that's important. That's going to help them stay awake during the day, concentrate. It boosts their attention span, increase their academic performance, and help them have a better mood and be happier.
Yeah, you don't want to be nodding off in the classroom, that's for sure. What kind of food should kids be eating so they can stay healthy and focused each school day?
It's important to have a balanced diet, whole grains, fibers, proteins, no so much of the added sugars.
Is breakfast really the most important meal of the day for those kids?
It is. After having 8-10 hours of sleep without food, it is important to have a balanced breakfast.
Okay, and book bags can get pretty heavy. I've seen some pretty big ones. What is a general rule of how heavy a backpack should be?
10 to 15% of their child weight, not so heavy. Just teach them to just use what they need, leave the rest at their locker or desk, and being able to carry it.
I don't know if it's still cool for kids, but I used to have a rolling backpack when I was a little guy. But is that something that's an alternative to?
It's an alternative. If your child has back problems or if the books are going to be too heavy, it's good to use a roller bag. But just keep in mind, if they have to go up the stairs and carry the bag with them, just don't put it as heavy.
And what are the signs that a child may be injured from a heavy book bag?
They will start complaining of back aches or neck pain.
Okay,
in
good.
general.
Well, lots of good tips. There's lots of things to keep in mind. Thanks for joining us again here on the WFLX set. We're going to go ahead and toss it back